Hello family, welcome back to my channel North Media TV. Can I first time yako kuya pa channel? Please subscribe, like, comment, share. So let's get into today.
You were supposed to be driving your own car. Do you come here driving?
You
were supposed to be driving your own car.
Aichokwadi prophet pane munhu andakapa mari yangu nchita ndigire motikari but nanhasi asataya nemotikari yacho nemari.
You paid the money in July, eh?
Ichokwadi prophet ndo pandakamupa mari yangu ipapo.
He is just saying your car is coming next week, your car is coming next week, your car is coming next week. Now we are November. How many next weeks from July now? You call, hey brother, yeah, now I am at Boda Chirundu, brother. I'm coming. Next time he is forgetting that he told you that he is in Chirundu. He's saying, now I'm crossing from Tanzania to Zambia, brother.
Ichokwadi anonza ma statement akawanda.
Now we say, brother, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Can you send me 550 for food too? Now he wants 550 top up because he's stuck now in Zambia.
Ipapo ndopaita se prophet ndomtumira ere. Pakutondinetsawo ipapo prophet.
There is no car there. There's no car. It's not even in Chirundu.
It's
not even there in Chirundu.
Ndaitokumbira prophet mondibetserawo kana kuri kundidzosera mari yangu ndzosera yake mari yangu prophet.
Like I'm speaking here today is at Mazowe Dam. You know Mazowe Dam? Is in Mazowe Dam there. He's seeing Mazowe Dam, the nature. There is no Chirundu, there is no crossing Tanzania, Zambia. There is no such a thing in spirit. 550, this one is just a top up.